Okay, for our next project, we're going to try to fill that gap under the corners of the garage door. The right way to do it would be to get the concrete leveled out and have a nice smooth surface there. If I bring in a concrete person, they're going to want to redo the whole thing, and they've probably got a point because it's kind of a mess in here. But I don't really want to pay for that right now, so I'm going to see if I can make a stopgap, and if that works well enough, then maybe we can put off the redoing the whole thing for a little while. So what I'm going to use to do this is just some of this horse stall mat. You can get this pretty much anywhere that they sell horse supplies, and it's just a 3/4 inch thick mat of rubber, and it's pretty flexible, as you can see. Kind of a pain to cut, to be honest. So what I'm doing here is pulling it out to the edge of this workbench here, and I'm just using the knife itself as my guide. And to cut this, you start off by scoring a line. And you want to make sure that you score that line deep enough so that it's going to kind of hold your knife as you go through and make your next cut. So we're just going to cut again on that same line. You want to kind of pull down on this edge of it so that it opens up that gap. That also makes it a little bit easier to follow. And repeat ad nauseum until the thing falls off. And there we have it. Now, I think for this next piece, I'm actually only going to want half of this length. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it about in half. There. That looks pretty good. Doesn't need to be perfect. Right, and now we have two pieces of this, and let's go see how they fit. Alright, and here you can see where we're going to put these. I've already cut a couple of pieces here. I'm going to go ahead and throw these shorter ones underneath so that we keep the top as smooth as we can. Alright. And let's close the garage door and see how it fits. Okay. Not too shabby. It's a whole lot better than it was before. There's a lot less daylight coming through. I may cut a few more pieces for the middle here and just try to kind of level it all out so that it's all rubber all the way across. But this is already looking quite a bit better, so pretty happy with this. Might need a little bit more work to try to fill in some of those gaps, like right under there where it's, transitioning from one piece to the other. But definitely looking better, and I'm pretty happy with that. So I think we'll call it there, and thanks for watching.